So I need to replace the rear shock absorbers because most likely neither of them work anymore. Originally this should be a very easy job because only one bolt holding at the bottom and one bolt holding at the top. The hardest part should be lifting the car, but since it's a 30 years old car, something will probably go wrong. So I hope not, but if something goes wrong, I show you. Okay, so there are one bolt here and there are another one under here. So there it is. First I try to loosen the bottom one. This is a 16 mil. Okay, so this was an easy one. Okay, I show you. So I'm gonna use a 6 mil and I try to hold that and loosen that. Now I'm gonna try with this. Okay, so this is the old one. I think I clean a little bit this surface. So now it's a little bit cleaner. Okay, so this was total shit, like, so it's nothing. When you put back, just put back the bottom and after just release, and it's slowly get in his place. So that's it. I need to put back the screw, this one and the top one, and it's done. Okay, so when you put back the screw, just first it's tighten with your hand, not with the impact wrench. Okay, so this one need to torque it down with 20 Newton meter, and the bottom one is 65 Newton meter. Okay, so this side is done. I'm gonna do the other side. I hope it's gonna be easy like this one, and if not, I'm show you. Okay, so this one doesn't want to come off, so I need to find another solution. And now I cut it off. That's it. So I just need to put back the new one. So I put back this side and this side too. So now I just tighten the bolts, put the plastic back, and that's it.